A very good morning, dear children. Happy Independence Day. Children, in today's Saturday activity, we'll make tricolor headgear or headband. Okay? Tricolor headgear or headband. Fine? For this activity, we need white, orange, and green paper. Children, I have got this orange paper in a craft book. So I'm using this one. And I will use glue, scissors, and
orange and green crayons also.
I will use one A4 sheet also. Okay, let's start today's activity. So children, because I have got this orange circle in a craft book, so I'm not going to make this circle, but you can make this kind of circle with the orange paper. And you can use a lid for making a circle, then you can cut it. Okay, and I'm going to use this lid for making a circle. Now I will take this ivory sheet and I will take this lid for making a circle. Now I will keep this lid here in the corner, so paper knot will be waste. Like this, draw a circle. Okay. Now, for making another circle, I am going to use the lid of this crayon box. Okay. Now, I will keep this lid in the corner. So, I can use this paper in other activity also. It's an ivory sheet. Fine. Now, I am going to cut a circle. Cut this circle like this. Children, you can use your kids' scissors like this. I'm cutting it. See, I have cut this circle. Now I'm going to cut this green one. Now I have cut this circle also. I can apply the glue on this white one. I am applying the glue in the center part of this circle. Now I am keeping this circle on this orange one. This white circle I have kept on the orange one. Okay, I have kept it in the center of this orange. Now I am taking this green one. Now I am applying some glue. Now I'm keeping it here in the center. Okay, let it dry. Now I will take this blue flower. It's a sticker flower. Okay, now I'm going to use this glue and I'm going to keep this flower here in the center of this. Children, if you don't have any sticker flower, so you can use your mama's blue bindi. Okay, blue sticker bindi. Okay, now keep this aside.
See children, I have cut these two strips from A4 sized paper.
Okay, I'm going to apply some glue
in the end of this one strip. Now I will stick the second strip on the first one like this. With these strips I have made a headband, or you can say strap of our headgear.
We have to color it also.
So we will color it in tricolors like national flag. See, I have drawn two slipping lines like national flag. Then in first part I am coloring with orange crayon like this.
Now we will leave this part white.
The middle part of the strap will be white only, so leave it like this. Children, take your green crayon and color the bottom part with green.
These three colors we have in our national flag also, which we have made in our drawing class.
Then after we will stick those circle which we have made earlier.
Okay.
Orange, white and green circle we will stick in the center of the strap. See, I have stuck on the strap.
See children, I am making an outline here in the white part of this circle. Now I have written here Jai Hind, Jai, Jai, Hind, Hind on this headgear. So children, our headgear is ready. See children, when you will wear this headgear on the Independence Day, you will feel very proud because that will be your handmade headgear or headband. Is it good now? See? So I hope you all will make this kind of headband or headgear and you will wear on the occasion of Independence Day. You can wear this headgear on the national festival. Children, we have 3 national festivals: Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. So you can wear this headband on 15th of August, that is our Independence Day, and you will feel very proud when you wear it because that will be your handmade headgear. Okay? It's very easy to make, so make it at home. Thank you. Jai Hind.